All right, hello, happy Friday, sixth graders. I hope to see you today at the Zoom meeting from 12 to 12:30. So if you have any questions about today's lesson, now for some reason, my last lesson didn't come up on some of the lesson things that I posted, but I want you to work on a rock story. Don't think that you're going to have to get it all done in one day. I'd like you to work on it today and on Monday when you're in science class at home. Now, what a rock story is, the directions will be attached to a worksheet. You won't have to write anything on the worksheet, but it will give you a list of the words that you're to use. I'm going to show you an example of mine and read mine to you. Just a few, I put a sample on there. So like my first square says, hi, that's me, Sammy, sediment on the right there. The answer to the question was the rock cycle. How's a piece of sediment supposed to know that? Okay, that was just a little bit of a comic strip idea here. And then I underlined the word sediment because that's one of the words that you have to use. This is me years later after I was compacted and cemented into an official sedimentary rock. So every frame has a statement or two and a photograph, and I've noticed how it's not a whole bunch of color, but I've added some color to it. And there are a list on the worksheet there of the specific words that you are supposed to use in your little rock story. Just take any sheet of paper and you can fold it. Let me take any worksheet. And all you have to do is, you could have printing on one side, is fold it in half and then fold it in half again, and you would have fourths, and then fold it again in half and you will have eighths. And if you open that up, there you go, you have your little 8 squares. That's all I did. And then I thought about it. I did a rough draft of what I wanted and kind of sketched out my pictures. These particular pictures I ran off on the computer. If you don't like to draw, a lot of you do. The picture does not have to be drastic, and then I'd love to see a picture of it. And like I said, when you're done and I've graded it or told you what you've received, I'm hoping that you will put it in the put it in your folder, so when we come back to school, I'd love to see those in person. So please read the attached worksheet that tells you the 12 words you're supposed to use. The criteria for grading it will also be there. Thanks, guys, and if you have any questions, bring them to the Zoom meeting today. Just while you're here, yet your quiz over the rocks and rock cycle will be next Thursday, this coming Thursday, so we can get it out of the way before you leave for Christmas vacation. Okay, bye. Have a cool Friday.